Hello, my name is Anthony from 3Chord Solutions. Previously, we went over the process to add items to your Clover dashboard manually. Today, we will be going over the bulk import functionality of the Clover inventory and how to use it effectively. Bulk importing your items saves you valuable time as you get your Clover system up and running. Luckily for us, Clover offers a template that will serve as a base for our import. I've taken the liberty of filling out the spreadsheet with items, modifier groups, categories, and taxes. Let's jump over to Excel and see what we're working with. The first sheet that we are met with will be the item sheet. Here, we will be inputting the item data that will be imported to the Clover dashboard. I've highlighted the required fields for adding the new items to the inventory. These required fields are name, price, price type, and modifier groups. Modifier groups are only required if you are adding in modifier groups. The requirements for manually adding items are the same within the bulk import as well. All items require a name, price, and price type. Everything left blank will auto-populate within the Clover dashboard as required. The next sheet is going to be the modifier groups sheet. This is where filling out the bulk import template gets a little bit more complex. Each modifier group is defined one time instead of on each individual row. Then the modifiers are actually defined on each individual row instead. Next up is the categories sheet. Here, the category name is going to be your column headers, whereas the items in the category are going to be the actual rows under those columns. Finally, we have the tax rates sheet. Here, we have the ability to define our tax rates. We have sales tax at 7%. It is not default. PIF, 1%, not default. Florida sales tax, 7.5, it is default. So we do have the ability to determine whether this is going to be a default tax or not, whatever the tax rate is, and the name of that tax rate. Once you have completed your import sheet, all you need to do is navigate back to the items list, import your menu spreadsheet, choose File, and you will be given this. This is going to be a page that's going to show you any errors on your import sheet, anything that needs to be fixed, or anything that is just not accepted. If you see the screen like this, that means the import is perfect. You can press continue. The import's going to run. And then once you click on back to my inventory, you should see all the items, their categories, as well as their modifier groups. That's it for today. If you have any questions, feel free to add them into the comments, and I'd be happy to help. Have a great one.